It's the way that I'm feeling. It's the way that I'm feeling.
What's poppin', man? You already know what it is, man. It's Steam Bros TV. You already know the grind don't stop till you reach the top, man. So I'm back at it with another reaction, bro. I'm finna get ready to react to Steve Seagull's Thunderstruck live, bro. It was requested by Mr. Ryan Hyatt, the winner of the giveaway that we had back at 10K, and we're gonna have another one coming up at 20K. So y'all be ready, be aware, and be ready to go, because we're gonna have that second giveaway. But nevertheless, let's go ahead and get into this reaction. Make sure y'all do those 3 favorite things. Make sure y'all like, make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all slap that bell for notifications or updates to the channel. And also, I want y'all to check out the coldest water bottles. And I promise you, this water bottle, I don't know how to explain it. It's really good. Like, I promise you, it's really good, better than any other water bottle I personally had. Now, if you have something better, let me know. But this right now is top of the line. I literally went to my car. And I was driving to work, and I left my water bottle in the car. I forgot it for about 2 days. I came back to my car the next morning when I got up to actually get my water bottle, refill it and everything. And when I tell you the water was still cold, it was still cold. So if y'all want to check it out, make sure y'all hit that link down below. I promise it's pretty good. But make sure y'all do those 3 favorite things. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and slap that bell for notifications and updates to the channel. Nevertheless, get into the video. See what is on. Never heard of this band either. Oh, this is live. Okay. Oh, this is pretty cool. Bro, I love this band already, man. They're kind of unique, bro. I've never seen instruments played like this. Like, it takes you, like, it makes you feel like you're back in the country, but the way they doing it, it's very unique. Like, playing those kind of instruments is pretty unique, the way they're doing it, man. I'm enjoying it so far. That's boom hard too. Oh, that's cool.
The thunder of guns tore me apart. You've been thunderstruck. Went down the highway, broke the limits, we hit the town. Went through the Texas, and we had some fun.
I really like this band so far because they really put their own spin onto that, like their own finesse with this, and it's pretty cool. Like, it's very interesting. I don't know how, I've never heard of them, but like, they're very interesting, and they will be reacted to again on this channel.
We met some girls, some dancers who gave a good time. Broke all the rules, played all the fools. Yeah, they blew my
Okay.
mind. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? Yeah, the ladies were too kind. You've been thunderstruck. 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 I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please?
Another thing I want y'all to do, man, I need someone special to give me like a biography and like a history of this band or Steve Seagulls. Yeah, give me a history of him. I never actually heard of him, but I like him so far. So y'all give me a history, tell me a little bit about him, and your comment will be posted. If it's the best comment out of every comment with the most details, and you get it up quick enough, of course, it will be pinned to the top so everyone can see. So it'll be kind of like a shout out. So y'all do that for me.
You've been thunderstruck. Thunderstruck. Thunderstruck.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Thunderstruck. Yeah, yeah, it's alright.
Okay.
You're doing fine. Yeah, it's alright. We're doing fine. Oh, thunderstruck. 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 You've been thunderstruck.
Hey, man, this band was very interesting, bro. I've never, like I said, I've never heard of them, but I really enjoyed listening to them, bro. I really did. Man, let me know what y'all thought about the reaction, man. Make sure y'all do those 3 special things for me. Make sure y'all like. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all slap that bell for notification and updates on the channel, man. You already know what it is, man. It's Dean Bros TV, man. And let me know what more Steve Seagulls y'all would like us to react to, man. Put it down below in the comment section. But you already know what it is, man. It's Dean Bros TV, man. I'm out. Peace.